Hey everybody, welcome to Subway Surfers. Yeah, it's Subway Surfers. This is my gaming channel. I don't really know how to say it, but never mind, I won't say it. I played some of the game. It's fun. And I also want to tell you guys, you're probably wondering why Jabonyon didn't come out for a long time. It's because I can't find him. If I lose, if I lost them, then that means that I'll have to buy a new one. Then you guys will have to keep waiting. Well, November is almost coming up. That's when it's my birthday. Then my dad said that he will probably take me to Toys R Us to... Hold up, I want to see something. No, yeah, it moves. Okay. No, I'm in the lead. I tried to defeat my high score, but it's easy as heck, so... Let's just go. I'm running on the trains. I don't really know why I'm doing this. Never mind. Dang it. I had to move that. Dude, I seriously have to move that, but... Here, especially here, and over here, so now I guess I could use this over here. Oh wait, the missions, bro. Oh, okay. I'm rolling. Because I have to. No! I just passed it under. You know what? I'm dead. I'm gonna die. Jeez. God. I'm just gonna go here. It's kind of confusing me. It looks like an optical illusion, but it just spins by itself. No idea why, but there's a mystery box. Let's get this. Okay, we just got it. And keep jumping. Just need to keep jumping. Keep moving lanes, but I won't. Okay, there we go. Finally. Just keep moving. This, and like this. I don't need to keep doing this. Oh god, so close. I guess, I don't know. But, sometimes, maybe if you don't know this, but the super sneakers, because of the gravity, when you jump and there's coins under you, it grabs it. I think it's because of gravity. I don't know. So that's why Jabonyon isn't really coming out. Well, that was supposed to do with it, but the magnet is collecting coins now. I always wonder, why doesn't it collect the weekly day thing, the weekly items? I'm wondering why. Every time when there's a new event, something comes out. You think I should play the one of Halloween? The Halloween one? I think I should, but... Oh yeah. Did you know that Subway Surfers, the creators of it, only do 2 different times a pass and they make it unlimited? Like that, they do that. They only do 2 different ones, then a lot of people just wait, so I've been already doing 2 different ones. So now I got this magnet. I'm beating my... Oh no! No! I was so close. Okay. Be opening this. Okay, that's good. This. That's good. And one more. Yeah, okay. Then I got Tricky Cat. Okay, so now I unlock Tricky. So that means I could use her now. So, I can unlock this. Okay. Yeah, okay. Getting her. Should I get this? I have enough. Or this. This looks weird. Get this guy with that. Or maybe that. Get this guy with that. Or that. When I saw him in his nose, I thought that there were his buggers coming out. But now I know that it's just a piercing. Okay, there's some loud background. Really loud. Oh, that looks so cool. So cool. What's this? Whoa. Looks like if it's just floating in the air. He's actually just moving it. I've actually seen some Chinese people do that. It looks really cool. Whoa. Looks like if it's just walking by itself or something. Nope. Just keep running. So after this round, I'm gonna end the video. Then I'm gonna say bye. Okay, something like that. I'm gonna end my. Never mind. Okay, I just jumped on that. I could have put together, but I did it. So I just need to be here, calm. And my nose is kind of runny, but no one cares. So I want to go up there. Oh God, I want to go up there. Oh, I've got a mystery box. Everybody, I got a mystery box. Okay. I got a mystery box! Okay, so it must have something inside it, but I just don't know what. I wonder what it could be. So, after I die, I'm still wondering what it could be. So, after I die, I'm gonna see what it is. It kind of sounds, because like if I'm gonna die like in a knife, like if it's stuck to a train or something, like then I'm gonna die with that. Maybe that's how we die. It's just a knife on the train, then we die. Okay, never mind. Gosh, I almost got smashed. We're over here. God. Like if the magnet is like if people just want to pray like God, please don't make this person go up to me. Oh no, I slipped. Oh God. Then he's too fast, so that's why never mind. Being messed up. Oh shoot! That was so cool. No! I just died. Okay, let's see what's inside the mystery box now. Coins? Money? I don't really want some money, but I guess so. Let's just double this up. Now I got 1,000. I guess I could. I'm gonna buy now. I'm gonna turn to him just real quick. Thank you all for watching. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.